Welcome back to today's class. This is Sudarshan, your faculty for accounts for CA Foundation, CMA Foundation, CA Inter, as well as CMA Inter. I am handling the practical purpose in all the three professional courses. So till yesterday, we have completed till illustration 4, and I will give you the homework of illustration 5. I hope you have done your homework from your end. Many of them will send an answer to me. Yesterday, many of them sent the answer to me. Everyone is doing the sums in a proper way only. So there is no issue regarding it. Now we can start with illustration 6. Okay. Illustration 6 is a most important question. Most important question. Vikram of Milk Foods Co. Limited of Vikrambur sends to Sundar Stores of Sonpuri of 5,000 kgs of baby food products of 200 tins of a net weight of 1 kg and 6,000 packets of net weight of half kg for sale on consignment sales. Snega, from this para, what you understood? Snega, from this paragraph, from this point, what you understood? I am asking you, Sneha. Unmute it. Unmute.
Anna.
Yeah, question buddy. Question படிக்க சொன்னேன். Question படிக்க சொன்னேன்னு சொன்னேன்.
Vikram Milk Foods.
Hold on. Wait, just a minute. Hold on. I think you have a network issue. Kindly check with it. I will read by myself. There is no issue regarding it. Vikram of Malipur, total 5,000 kgs இருக்கு. இந்த 5,000 kgs அவங்க எவ்வளவு பிரிக்கிறாங்கன்னா 2,000 tins of net weight of 1 kg. ஒரு டின்னோட net weight எவ்வளவு 1 kg. So அதே மாதிரி 2,000 இது. அப்ப இங்க 2,000 kgs என்னவா இருக்கு? டின்ஸா இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? அப்ப 2,000 tins of 1 kg weight இருக்கு. Then அதுவே எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 6,000 kgs of half packet இருக்கு. Packetsல half of kg எவ்வளவு பண்றாங்க? 6,000 packets பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? இதெல்லாம் இந்த 5,000 bifurcate பண்றாங்க. Then the consignee is commissioned at 5% of sale proceeds. 5% on sales. 5% on sales. Okay. Then 5% on sales. Then cost and selling price of the product were given. Cost price is per 110 and selling price is 15. Half kg packet cost price is 6 and selling profit is 7. The consignment was booked to freight on 2-pay basis. In my conceptual classes itself, I say what is 2-pay basis, refer that. Okay. And the freight charges came up to 2% of the selling value. It is most important. Freight percentage should be given to 2% on selling value. One case containing 51 kg tins, it means 50 tins, was lost in transit. Was lost in transit means it should be taken as abnormal loss. Then that transport carrier admitted a claim of rupees 450. Insurance company gave for compensation of 450 rupees they gave. Then at the end of the first half year, the following information are gathered from the account sales sent by the consignee. Who is a consignee? Sundar Stores is a consignee and Vikram of Manu is a consignor. From the consignor, sale proceeds is given 1,500 rupees, 1,500 1 kg tins and 4,000 half kg packets has been sold. Then store and rent insurance charges. It is a recurring expense for consignee. Okay. Find out the closing inventory on consignment. You need to calculate the consignment stock. You need to calculate consignment stock. Then show the consignment account and consignee's account in the books of Vikram of Milk Food and Co. Limited, assuming that consignee has paid the amount due from it. It means at the end of the balancing figure of the consignee's account, you should take as bank account. Due from it has been paid, it should be taken as a bank. Okay, this is a question. Now we are going to solve a sum. Okay. I hope the screen is visible to you now. Okay. First, we are going to prepare a working note. Okay. First, we are going to prepare a working note. Listen to it. Okay. First, we will prepare a working note. Our working notes number 1 is calculation of GSC. Calculation of GSC. Okay. You have tins and you have packets. Right. You have tins and you have packets. How many tins you have? Rupees 200 tins. What is the consignment price? What is the consignment price? Is rupees 10. So total 20,000. And you have packets of 6,000 per packet. Each packet cost of rupees 6. So total you have 36,000. If you keep on adding this, you will get 56,000. This is your first working note. Okay, this is your first working note. Then your working note number 2. Your working note number 2. What is your working note number 2 means? It is a schedule of expenses. Wait, we will write schedule of expenses in opposite side. Here we can write, okay. Working note 2, schedule of expenses. Okay. We are following 2-pay basis, right? 2-pay basis means consignor never pay any expenses. It should be paid by the consignee and ultimately borne by the consignor. Particulars. Sundar stores. You have 3 types, right? One is in transit. One is non-recurring expenses. One is a recurring expenses. Transit in the question la konjam ungalku pudusa irukum. Kindly note it down. Freight charges. Freight charges evlo kudukanum solliranga? 2% of selling value. Another 2% of selling value. Okay. உங்களோட செல்லிங் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ல क्वेश्चनல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா எவ்வளவு யூனிட் சோல்ட் பண்ணதா ஆன் செல்லிங் வேல்யூல கொடுக்கணும். ஃப்ரைட்டுக்கு ஆன் செல்லிங் வேல்யூனா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா 2000 யூனிட் காஸ்ட் பிரைஸ்ல தான் முன்னாடி கொடுப்போம். இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? செல்லிங் வேல்யூல கொடுக்கணும். 2000 into 15 plus 6000 into 7. அப்ப if you add what is you can keep on adding 2000 into 15 m plus you will get 30,000. 6000 into 7 m plus 42,000. Put MRC, you will get 72,000. 2% on 72,000 into 2%, you will get your answer 1,440. You will get your answer 1,440. 1,440 is in transit. Then rent and insurance, it is recurring expenses, so total 600. 440 and 600. Okay. Then move on to working note 3. Your working note 3 will be sales. Calculation of sales. You can write it down. Calculation of sales. You have tins. You have packets. Right. You have tins and you have packets. So tins, you sold 15,000 tins into rupees for 15. You will get 22,500. Then package is 4,000 into rupees 7. You will get 28,000. So total answer is 50,500 is your working note number 4. Then move on to working note 4. Calculation of commission equal to 5% on sales, 5% on 50,500. You will get 2525. 2525. Okay. Step 5 is most important. That is working note 5 is most important question. Okay. Working note 5 is most important question. Working note 5 is valuation. Valuation means valuation of abnormal loss and inventory at cost. Okay. First, in this question itself, you need to write particulars. You need to write particulars, tins, amount, packets, amount. You need to bifurcate based on the question. If the question says of 2 products, you should bifurcate your valuation on 2 products. Okay. Why the purpose of bifurcating into tins and packets in the valuation means in your question you can see there is the only loss in tins, not in packets. So that if we mingle both of them means we could not find the correct answer. So we should bifurcate your answer. So based on the bifurcation, we can easily find out. So tins is 2,000 tins. It cost you 20,000. Packet is 6,000 packets. It cost you 36,000, right? Then there is the no expenses. There is only a freight expenses. Keep adding a freight expenses. Okay. Keep adding a freight expenses. Okay. For tins, 2,000 into 15 into 2%. For packets, 6,000 into 7 into 2%. Okay. 6,000 into 7 into 2%. You will get answer 840. For tins, you will get answer. Wait. 2,000 into 15 into 2%, you will get your answer 600. For tins, your answer will be 6. For tins, your answer will be 600. For package, your answer will be 840. So total 2,000, 20,600, 6,000 package, 36,840. Till this, the expenses has been incurred. Okay. Then you need to, there is only a loss. There is no consignees non-recurring expenses. So abnormal loss in transit. They said 50 kg, 50 half kgs has been damaged, has been lost. It means 50 tins has been lost. 50 tins has been lost. So your answer will be 1,950. You need to cross multiply and take a calculator. 20,600 into 50. You will get 10,30,000 divided by 2,000. You will get 515. For 2000 goods, its cost is 20,600. For 50 units, what is my cost? For 50 tins, what is the cost? It cost is 515. You minus with this, you will get your answer 20,085 rupees. 20,085 rupees is your answer. Okay. Then there is a no change in this. So just carry down 1,840. Okay. Then there is a sales. Okay. Less sales. How much the sales has been took place? 1,500 tins and 4,000 package. Cross multiply. So 20,085 into 1,500 divided by 1,950. You will get 15,440. Check it in your calculator. 15,450. Then minus 20,085. You will get 4,635. You will get your answer 4,635, and this is 450. This is your consignment stock. This is your consignment stock. Okay. Then you have 36,840. I put the calculator 36,840 into 4,000 divided by 6,000. You will get your answer 24,560. 24,560. 24, I will say 24,560 is that answer, minus 36,840. You will get your answer 12,280, and there is a 2,000 packets has been stocked with the consignees. Okay, it has not been sold. These are the major working notes. You need to be prepared. You need to be prepared in your examination. Now we will start with our preparation, right? We will start with our preparation. We will use different colors for different identification. So they are asking in the books of Vikraman. Okay. Illustration 6. In the books of Vikram Milk Food Co Limited, credit, debit, consignment account you can write, or you can write consignment to Sonpuri, you write. Anything is preferable. Okay. Based on your wish, you can write particulars column rupees. Then my first is posting 2 goods sent on consignment account. You should write it in your notebook, 2 goods sent on consignment account. Give reference working note 1. Write the total 56,000. Then there is a no expense of the consignor. So directly write to Sundar Stores. Write rent and insurance and commission. Right, these are the expenses. So what is the expenses? 1,440, 600, 2525. Right. Then there is a sales, right? Then post the sales by Sundar Stores. Sales. Give the reference. Working note 2. Working note 2. Working note 4, I think so. Yeah, this 4th working note. Your sales will be your 3rd working note. What is your answer? 50,500 is your answer. Then by abnormal loss at abnormal loss account. By abnormal loss account is how much? Here there is a no load on the question, so we are not charging a load on the consignment account. Then you have by consignment stock account. For tins, you have how much? 4635. For packets, you have 12,280. Then total is 16,195. Okay. Okay. Just keep on adding 50,500 plus 515. 16915. You will get your answer. Your credit size is higher. Your credit size seems to be higher. So I am adding 67,930 is arrived. 67,930 is arrived. Take a calculator and subtract. 56,000, 1,440, 600, 2,525. You will get your answer. 7365 to profit and loss account, transfer of profit, transfer of profit. First question, first required answer will be solved. Then we will move on to next one. Next one is very quite simple. You can prepare yourself by yourself. Okay, there's no issue in it. You are prepared to Sundar Stores account, credit, debit, rupees. Okay, in your examination also you can straightly put the lines and you can easily do the sums also. How I am doing in a class. To consignment, put sales posting. So 50,500. Then put buy consignment. Right. Rent and insurance. Then commission. 1,440, 600, 2825. Okay, 2825. So the question says, in your question also, the balance has been received from him, paid by the Sonpuri. So your final answer, deriving answer 45935 is your answer. It should be shown as by ban. In bracket you can write balancing figure. In bracket you can write balancing figure. I will give you one extra question. Extra. Okay, this is not in your material, but there is a information regarding it. So I will give you an extra, what I say, extra sums. Okay, just prepare extra one more account called abnormal loss account. In the same question, just prepare abnormal loss account. How you prepare abnormal loss account, I will tell you. You are credited in the consignment account, right? You are credited the abnormal loss in the consignment account, right? This abnormal loss should be debited in the abnormal account in the name of to consignment 515. In the question, they clearly told that the insurance company gave 450 rupees. Okay, by insurance company, they will give 450 rupees. Now, what is my actual net loss? What is my actual net abnormal loss? It is 65. It should be transferred to by P&L account because it is a nominal item. Any nominal item should be transferred to the profit and loss account. If it is the indirect expenses, it should be transferred to the trading P&L. If it is a direct expenses, it should be transferred to the trading. And if there is any personal account and cash account involved, this will be transferred to the balance sheet. The consignments account, the consignor and consignees account will be transferred to the balance sheet. Okay, this is your answer. If the answer is good, this is your actual loss. Okay, This is how you should approach a question. This is the way you should approach a question. I will wait. Just take a screenshot. Just take a screenshot. Just take a screenshot. The screen is visible to you, right? Just take a screenshot and let me know in the chat box. Everyone should let me know in the chat box whether you've taken the screenshot or not. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshot. You should enjoy the learning. ஒரு விஷயத்தை நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், ரொம்ப புடிச்சு படிச்சீங்கன்னா அந்த சப்ஜெக்டோ அந்த டாபிக்கோ ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். I will do maximum self study for each and every topic. I will do maximum self study for each and every topic because I love accounts. So that only I will teaching accounts for you. Okay. Now we move on to our next question. Okay. The answer is correct. You can easily check with the, you can also check with the book problem also. Okay. I give illustration 7 as your homework. So do the sum illustration 7 as your homework. Okay. Then I'm going to do illustration 9. Okay. I'm going to do illustration 9. What they are saying, Ajay of Mumbai consigned to Vijay of Delhi. Vijay is a consignee, Ajay is a consignor. Vijay is a consignee, Ajay is a consignor. Okay. Then what they are given? What they given? What they are saying in the question? Goods sold at invoice price which represent 125% of cost. This is one of the important point. இதுல ஒரு முக்கியமான point. Okay. Vijay is entitled to commission on 10% on sales at invoice price. This is another important note. Then 25% any excess realized over, that is surplus, that is overriding commission. Okay. The expenses of freight and insurance incurred by Ajay, consignor incurred 10,000. The account sales received from Ajay shows that the Vijay has affected the sales for 1 lakh in respect of 75% of the consignment. நான் 75% of நான் ஒரு goods அமைச்சிருக்கேன், அதுல 75% worth of goods அவன் எவ்வளவுக்கு சேல் பண்ணியிருக்கான், 1 lakhக்கு சேல் பண்ணியிருக்கான். Then 1 lakhக்கு சேல் பண்ணியிருக்கான். ஓகேவா? His selling expense to be reimbursed 8,000. Its selling expenses to be reimbursed 8,000. 8,000 நம்ம selling expense reimburse பண்ண போறோம். This is the most important area in this question. 10% of the consigned goods of value 12,500 were destroyed in the fire of Delhi Godown. 10% of consigned goods. அம்சல 10% value தான் எவ்வளவு, 12,500. அது என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, ஃபயர்ல எரிஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு. Vijay remitted the balance in favor of Ajay. Balance வந்து remit பண்ணிட்டான். Balance என்ன பண்ணிட்டான், remit பண்ணிட்டான். Okay, balance remit பண்ணிட்டானா you should use bank account. You should use bank account. In the books of Vijay போடும்போது bank account use பண்ணுங்க. Prepare consignment account and in the books of Vijay and account of Vijay in the books of Ajay with necessary calculation. I will give you the work. You have to prepare all the ledger accounts in the books of Vijay. This is your homework on this question. Okay, you need to prepare the consignment account necessary calculation in the books of Vijay. So I am going to do only a working note. Posting can be done by yourself. Okay, I will just do the working notes so that it will become much easier for you, so that you can easily solve your sums. Okay, working note majorly takes time. Posting it's just a 1 minute job. Okay, my first working note number 1. Okay, my working note number 1 is calculation of GSC and load. Okay, what is how I calculate? And then 10% mark பண்ணல. அப்ப 10% of a goods consigned தான் எவ்வளோ? Abnormal loss அப்படின்னா 10% of goods consigned எவ்வளோ? 12,500 னா அப்ப 100% எவ்வளோ? அப்ப 100% எவ்வளோ? Very simple. GSC is equal to 12,500 divided by 10%. Take a calculator. 12,500 divided by 10%. You will get 1,25,000. You will get 1,25,000. This is a GSC. In this GSC, there is a load. Okay. Invoice price minus load is equal to cost. Okay. Invoice price is 125. Cost is 100. So remaining 25% will be a load. So you need to calculate on 1,25,000. 25 minus 25 by 125 into 1,25,000. Okay. If you do this means 1,25,000 minus 1,00,000. Sorry, you will get your answer. 1,25,000 into 25 by 125. You will get your answer 25,000. Just don't even do this. This is unnecessary. Okay, just simply write down. I will tell you very, very simply. Just do 1,25,000 into 25 by 25. You will get 25. This 25,000 is your load. Okay, this is your working note number 1. The sales is very simple, so you can easily avoid the working note 2 sales. Then you can directly jump on to working note 2, that is commission. The sales is very simple, so the sales value is already been easily given. You can easily arrive the selling value. Okay, you can easily arrive the sale values already given 1 lakh, so you can directly take. So for calculation, total GSC at invoice price is 1,25,000. Okay, 75% is sold, right? 75% is how much? 100% is 1,25,000. 75% is how much? 100% is 1,25,000. 75% is how much? You will get your answer 93750. 1,25,000 into 75 divided by 100. You will get 93750. This is sold worth is 93750. Selling value. Selling price is 93,750 worth of goods has been sold for 1 lakh. The remaining 6,250 is your surplus. 6,250 is a surplus. Okay, based on this, we can easily find out the commission. Commission is given 10% of sales at invoice price plus 25% of surplus Okay. A 10% of 93750, that is right, sales plus 25% of 6250. You will get your answer 9375 plus 1562.5. You can take it, you can easily round off, or you can keep the question as it is. Okay, you can keep on round offing, or you can, I will take a round off. So you will finally you will get 10,938. 10,938 is your commission. 10,938 is your commission. Then we move on to a what? We will move on to a valuation process. In this question, valuation process is most important. Valuation process is most important. Use particulars. Working note 3. Valuation. Particulars. Percentage. Amount. Particulars. Here there is only a percentage, so we are choosing percentage. 100% is 1,25,000. There is a no consign. There is only a consignor's expense. Consignor's expense is 10,000. So 1,35,000. It is 100. Okay. Then there is a no non-recurring expenses. There is only a abnormal loss. Abnormal loss of 10. So if you cross multiply, you will get 13,500. And this is 90% worth of goods is 1,21,500. Then you can sold value. 75% of goods is sold. So 75. If you cross multiply, you will get your answer of 1,01,250. You will get your consignment stock value of 20,250. So your consignment percentage will be, consignment stock percentage will be 15%. Consignment stock percentage will be 15%. Worth of goods is how much? 20,250 is the worth of goods. You need to charge a load. Load on abnormal loss. Very simple. Total load is how much? 25,000. What is the percentage? 10%. 25,000 into 10% is how much? 2,500. Then load on stock you should calculate. That is stock reserve. That is stock reserve. This 25,000. Again, 25,000 is a total load. What is the stock percentage? 15%. On 25,000, 15% is how much? 3,750. 3,750 is a stock reserve. Abnormal loading is to 2,500, and the consignment goods center and consignment loading is 25,000. Okay, you can easily post it in your this is a sum you need to calculate. Okay, I think I could not share the screen. I think so. Sorry for the issue. This is a question you need to calculate. Okay, this is how you need to calculate the calculation. No one has been telling to me. This is a question you need to calculate and working note. Okay, you can easily take a screenshot. Okay, you can easily take a screenshot. Then this one also you can easily take a screenshot. Pause the video and take a screenshot. Now you can easily post it in your ledger. Ledger is very simple. You can easily post. Everything will be all right. Every question we have find out the correct answer only. Everything is all right. With this we complete